The new Isi Thermo Wip, the hot and cold revolution. Take fresh, well-chilled cream from the fridge and fill to the maximum filling line on the inside of the bottle. Chilled preparations remain cold for up to 8 hours, even with regular dispensing, because the double-walled vacuum-insulated stainless steel bottle offers maximum insulating capacity for both cold and hot preparations. After closing, simply place an original silver-colored Easy Cream charger in the charger holder and screw on straight. Shake 4 times. Remove the charger holder and empty charger. Use the prepared cream as desired. Using the Isi Thermo Wip means no more need for refrigeration systems and saves countless trips to the cooler. If the entire contents of the Isi Thermo Wip is not used up, it can be recooled without problem, for example, overnight. The Isi Thermo Wip is completely dishwasher safe and carries a 5-year guarantee on the insulating capacity of the bottle. The patented sealed system helps to satisfy HACCP requirements and is NSF certified. Developed to increase flexibility during preparation, the Isi Thermo Wip is perfect for flavored cream and cream desserts. Quick to prepare and suitable for use anywhere, on the counter, at the buffet, and on the terrace. The crowning glory for your ice cream specialties, coffees, and desserts. The maximum insulating capacity also applies to products poured in hot. Hot soups or sauces stay warm for up to 3 hours. Accurate dispensing when serving out, mobile and flexible without the need for a bain-marie. The Isi Thermo Wip's technical efficiency and attractive, pleasing design make using it a special pleasure. In the kitchen, at buffets, for outside catering, and serving the guest directly. The new Isi Thermo Wip, the hot and cold revolution.